Aminado si Sab Magalona na malaking trauma ang naidulot sa kanya matapos masakta ng magkagulo sa isang party. Ipinakita pa sa akin ni Sab ang pasa sa kanyang kaliwang braso. Mabuti na lang daw ay umimpis na ang malaking bukol sa kanyang ulo. Ayon sa anak ng yumaong si Francis M., ang insidente raw na ito ay malinaw na kaso ng karahasan sa kababaihan.
It wasn't even, it was at a private party. I was not out and, with strangers. I was with the best of friends. And then, people just gate crashed and these things can really happen to anyone. So,
sa kwento ni Sab, kinabukasan daw matapos ang pangyayari, bigla raw siyang naiyak dahil naalala niya ang kanyang namayapang ama. Marahil daw ay iba ang kahihinatnan ng mga bagay-bagay kung buhay pa si Francis M. Ang kanyang inang si Pia, galit na galit daw nang malaman ng insidente.
as a mom, diba, she was like, I should have known about this as soon as it happened. But
Did you try to hide it from her?
I didn't, but it happened at around 3 a.m. So I didn't want to wake her up and worry her, diba? And of course, I'm 25 years old, I'm an adult, and I think I handled it very responsibly.
Hindi na raw magbibigay ng detalye si Sab. Maganda raw na gumulong na lang ang batas.
The physical damages were not that extensive, thank the Lord. But, of course, it was still a very traumatizing experience. But now the case is with our lawyers.
Sa ngayon, ibinabalik ni Sab ang kanyang buhay sa normal. Inaabala niya ang kanyang sarili sa musika kasama ang kanyang banda at pagpaplano ng kanyang kasal sa 2015. Nelson Canlas, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.